Jedziesz może w kierunku Danes? Nie. Nic z tego.
So we're at the petrol station, still trying to catch someone. No luck as of yet. Hopefully someone will take us.
It's so nice knowing what's doing really nice.
French fromage.
Was so
What? Whoa, the smell.
This one, socks.
Cheese.
And this one is.
This one is makes me wanna, yeah. And this one was that.
Hey, let's eat the most smelly.
Yeah, what's the which one? Nah, this one's not smelly at all, man. This one.
Let's eat this one, bro.
This one is not smelly.
Yo, bro, this one weird, like it's
Nah, this one's worse.
Really?
This one is hell worse, bro. Nah, man, this one makes me gag. This one makes me gag.
You can try all of them.
Jesus Christ. Jesus.
No, we're gonna take one.
Whoa.
What's the name of
Woo. This one is strong. Cheese and baguette. Whoa.
Let's say.
The taste is good, but the smell, bruh.
Imagine to eat this like a garlic and after go straight for the date. Yo.
You don't have a date anymore then.
She's running, bro. This is the thing. It tastes amazing, but it just smells so bad. Woo! We're having a picnic in the car.
Smell it, big.
This one is like red with some chili in it. I think this one tastes alright. Oh yeah.
I really want to try this one. Me. Yeah, bite some.
Nah, I'm not a fan. Not a fan at all. David?
It's fine. It's called food. It's called cheese.
What's the review of the cheese though, man?
It exists, yeah.
So strong. Fromage. Omelette du Fromage.
Omelette du Fromage.
Thank you so much, girls. You're the best. Where we are right now. We're trying to get to Nancy, which is here. We were meant to go straight to Metz, but obviously plans change. You can't do anything. You just take the hitchhike you can. We should probably arrive in Nancy. I don't know if you say it, but Nancy just sounds cool. Nancy. In probably, I don't know, couple, 30 minutes, whatever. It's Nancy. Let's go. Watch your heads. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It was lovely to meet you. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's past 12, that's for sure. Yeah, we're meant to sleep over there. Turns out that McDonald's has a little kids slide. I figured out a way to open it. We're gonna go inside there and sleep there. No wind, no, nothing on the floor. Just luxury. Yeah, luxury. It's all good. Come in backwards. So we woke up a little bit late. And McDonald's is already open.
Tam są ludzie, którzy już zamawiali jedzenie, a my w domku cały czas ukręcimy.
Przynajmniej się wyspaliśmy porządnie. Nie wiało, nie padało. Cieplutko było. Prawie jak hostel. Okay, so the plan is I'm gonna open it, go out, take the bags out. David's gonna come out last. I'm gonna be closing it while David is taking the bags across the fence. When I close it, I jump over and then we'll leave. Shouldn't be too bad. Alright, let's try. We've been stuck here for probably about an hour now because everyone's taking so long to eat. Cheers, sabota. The tego. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Dzień Kenia. Done. So they must be thinking, what the fuck? Oh, do you think they didn't see us? No właśnie, that's what I'm thinking. I reckon no one saw us. I genuinely think that maybe people didn't even fucking see us, right? So we found a place to hitchhike, and the place is right next to the McDonalds we spent probably the last 30 hours in. Ridiculous. We don't have that far to go. We've only got about 130 kilometers, 150 kilometers. So David went to get a new carton because this one, I think, nothing is written clear enough. This is what he fucking comes back with. Well, I said one carton, not fucking. What the hell is that?
Listen, now they're gonna see us.
Yeah, well, they have no choice now. Gone slightly up in size. Yeah, we're gonna change places. It didn't look as active as we thought it would. Hopefully the other place will be a lot better than this one. We can catch something quick and still get to Luxembourg today because it is 10 to 8. So, yeah. Ooh, tight. It's tight. Alright, well, we'll see. Maybe we'll just make a little bit of progress, just get to Metz. That'll be always something. Come in. Oh, okay. Slightly damaged car.
On est. Ça.
Okay.
Hein?
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Allez, bon voyage.
So this gentleman just bought us 2 tickets to get on the tram, so we can get to the city centre slash a little bit of outskirts, where apparently it's easier to catch a hitchhike. If not, there was a plan to catch a train. Obviously not paying, but we'll have to figure out what the gates look like and ticket inspectors and whatnot. So the guy that we met earlier, he bought us tickets and he gave us some spare change as well. So as a result, we're able to have our favourite drink. Without this drink, we wouldn't make it. We're not plugging Coca-Cola. We're just saying, like, if this trip is going to be as good as this Coca-Cola is, then this trip is going to be amazing. That's for sure.
Mogę coś powiedzieć, to nie reklama, ale lubię ją, bo ma taki niepowtarzalny smak.
Zdrówka. To jest to smak wolności, smak Coca-Coli. So we decided that we are going to catch a train. The train is an hour and a half, so it shouldn't be too much of hiding. We're going to try it, jump on the train and get to Luxembourg today. That'll be good. If we do catch the train we want to catch, we should be in Luxembourg around 12 o'clock at night. It's just enough time to find a place and fall asleep, really. Nothing more. And then from tomorrow we'll have an all day in Luxembourg, hopefully. Dajesz Kamil. Pokasim! Rabista. Rabista, akurat. Won't be needing this anymore. We managed to get onto the platform because there is no gates, no nothing. But we just saw a ticket inspector leaving the train, so if he doesn't get on the train, that's blessed. If he does, then we need to hide. Yeah, wish us luck.